You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
This woman won't come out of her car and thinks she knows the law.
License, registration, proof of insurance.
Is it safe to get it home?
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance.
It's a rental.
It's a rental. How long have you had the rental for? Do you mind hanging up while we're... I'm sorry? I can't hear you.
I said I'm not hanging up my phone, and it's a rental, and I've had it for about a week.
Okay. The reason I'm pulling you over is you ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the other hand.
I definitely didn't run a stop sign. I would never run a stop sign.
Well, you did. And
so I can't be online.
You cannot be holding your phone, and you cannot be holding coffee in another hand. You need to be paying attention to driving.
I'm not driving. I'll just take the ticket and go. This is not.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a residential. It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a phone in one hand and a coffee in the other, and you're in a residential neighborhood.
I don't want to.
So okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please.
Before you do suspensions and a speed tag order without notice.
Delta 25 out from myself.
I think I'm in a 1015er. She's gonna be 1015.
Can you do it on criminal site?
What's that?
No criminal site?
No, she's gonna go. She's been suspended twice. She blows a stop sign back here, phone in one hand, coffee in the other. I pull over, still yakking on the phone, still has coffee in her hand, and then starts giving me a bunch of attitude. And her license isn't even good for a TK. But so, like, she clearly just doesn't care. All right, we're gonna have her come step out, sign those.
Hello. He's gonna have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not getting out.
You're not getting out?
No, he can bring it right here. Officer Sayer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer's asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
Here's the deal. You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out by busting this window.
I'll pop the other one.
You can step out, or we're going to take you out.
You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license.
Step out of the vehicle. This is not going to end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
The door unlocked?
No.
What?
You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to bust this window.
Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man.
Do you have a punch?
You want me to pop it?
Open the vehicle now. You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
You can't hear you, so just open the door.
Open the vehicle and step out.
What is your name?
Or I am going to pull you out of this vehicle. Do you understand me?
Are making me feel very threatened.
You are dictating how this goes. You are under arrest. You need to step out of the vehicle and put your hands behind your back.
You started this.
Yes, I pulled you over. You need to step out of the vehicle. Okay, step out of the vehicle right now.
Yeah, but this is on the 2012 Western.
I'm not moving.
Step out, come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can have one with you. I can have one with you. I can't have one with you.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
Get out of the vehicle,
No.
man. You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just
Get
get out.
But not like this. But not like this.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
Or.
Drive with a suspended license. You gonna hit me?
Are you gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car. Come on.
No.
No, we're not doing this.
No. No,
All right, you're about to get sprayed.
no, I don't.
Okay, so get.
I also don't want y'all
You have to get
harassing
Let
me.
go. You are under arrest.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle now.
Come on.
Step
I'm
out
trying to
of the
do
vehicle
I'm trying
now.
to do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Come on.
Step out
It
of the
don't
vehicle
take
now.
three, y'all.
Okay,
It's
well-
3 of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on my own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
Just back up and give me a second.
Let's go
I
now.
want to make it up.
Get out of the car.
I'll get out on my own.
You have to get
I
out.
can get out.
Out now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're under
He's
arrest.
making it difficult.
Put your hands behind your back.
They're arresting me, guys.
I'm trying. I can't hear her.
And it's 3 of them.
Oh my God. What is it? Oh, you all of them.
Let's go.
Hey, can you go?
Come on.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna do this.
Does this make y'all feel good?
No,
No, it doesn't.
this is not what I wanted to be doing today.
Do you have like a specific problem
No,
with me?
I have a problem that you're in a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I have
holding
a
the steering
problem.
wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll just sit right
Scoot
here.
back. No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car. It's done. You're under arrest. Sit in the vehicle, please. Get in the vehicle. Sit down. Thank you.